Welcome back to another video. So let me know in the comments how you thought that prank was last night. I thought it was pretty great. Well, there's something new today, and it's gonna change your fucking life. So I can't really show it to you right now because I'm kind of busy right now doing something. But I'll let you guys know in the meantime. Hit the subscribe button. Hit a post notification down below. I don't care what you do. Just do whatever the hell you want to do.
Evidence have only.
So it's basically a box of handcuffs, which I never ordered last night. I ordered them last night offline. Keys are evidently going to be in here because they're obviously shut for the weekends. So these are the keys to the handcuffs. They're definitely real because the double pin on them. It's that long. And the handcuffs are basically in this weird, I don't really know how to say it anymore. No. Here are the handcuffs themselves. They're actually new, and they have never been used, so. They've never been used, they've never been put in a box. So these are cool handcuffs. They're opened. They're basically police ones, but you guys probably already know that for real. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to actually put myself in them just to test them on me to see if they're actually real. And so you guys basically know these ones are like legit real because they're black, but I really personally don't care. Anyway, you can do anything with these handcuffs. You can pin them on behind your back. You can cuff a person to the door with these ones. Actually, the other set I use can't do that. So these ones are high proof, double lock proof. So my job is to basically put people in handcuffs with using only one wrist, one arm. It doesn't matter really. So they're on my back right now. So and they're definitely real. So I gotta be kind of careful with what I'm doing because these can be dangerous. And the reason why they could be dangerous is because kidnappers use them in a dumb way to kidnap kids, obviously. They put them in the truck with the handcuffs on. You don't do that with handcuffs like this. You use them to arrest people. If I can find the stupid keyhole. Because these ones are actually real ones, so they don't have no buttons or anything. Now my first pair I got was actually silver, but they weren't like this. They were fake. These ones are real. I never had real ones before. So these are novelty ones. So how I know I can get a set of handcuffs is because someone actually gave these to me. They came from Chicago, so it could have been my friend. So my friend might have something to do with this. Because he's got a pair of handcuffs just like this in LA. They're basically LA police handcuffs. They're not a pair of his handcuffs, they're a pair of Peerless handcuffs. And they're definitely real because they got 2 chains on them, so I personally don't care. I'll let you know when I get another box of these, but this time they'll probably be hinged. I'm getting them next week. And I'm gonna be getting another box of chain ones in two days. And they won't be the same. They'll be different. handcuff. I'll be getting something just like this in 2 days. You guys probably already know that. So 2 days, I'll be getting a pair of pins, or peerless. So these right here are peerless ones. They're pretty cool. So what I would have did is you got the strangest box of the same pair of handcuffs, and 2 extra days online. I got so many pairs of handcuffs that I have not used any other pairs. I'll get another pair coming up, but this is the other box. This is like a really new pair of handcuffs. I'm gonna do this at 10 o'clock tonight. Comment down below and subscribe.